Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know. Is the screen visible, everyone? Do let me know.
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Also, the screen is I can see it, ma'am.
Just a minute. Okay. So let's start the class. We were doing calculations, right? Can anyone tell me what was the last question that we did? Anyone? Yes, Gayatri, do tell me.
Ma'am, is it a pole?
8 into 75. 5.
Pardon, beta?
8 into 75 into 75.
Okay, you are telling me that we learned 75 into 75. Okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it. Okay. Quickly answer me this so that I can feel that yes, you have learned this thing. Quickly answer me this, beta. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer just to see that you remember it or not. Quickly, beta. Let me see. I think we did this in the last class. Yes, Adya, you can turn on your mic once the poll ends. During the poll, the mic is automatically turned off, beta. Okay, 6 of you have given me the correct answer. Okay, very good. Yes, Adya, beta.
As far I remember, the last thing I learned was in your class was that
Just a second. You are not that audible to me. Can you please say again, dear Adya?
so as much as I remember in your last class, what we learned was that if the two digits of the last add up to 10, we multiply them together and then we multiply the first digit with its successor if it's same.
So, did we learn this also? Just tell me yes or no. Did we learn the short trick how to find the number near to 100?
Ma'am, I don't remember we did.
Adya, you are not audible. Beta, can you please speak a bit loud? Come in front of your device.
Ma'am, I don't remember if we did. I think I was not there.
This was not there. Okay, let me explain you once. We shall practice this also 2-3 questions and then we will move to the next concept. Okay. So see,
Thank you, ma'am.
it's 92 into 92, right? So what most of the students do, they do 92 into 92 and then they find their answer. But we don't have to do this way. We are not going to do this way, right? Because this will take so much of time. And here we can see that each option has different last digit. Each option has different last digit. So always keep in your mind that whenever a number is nearby 100. So this 92. Yes, beta. Anyone want to say something? Darsh, Adya, Riddhiman, Sadhya, beta, please turn on your videos, dear, so that it is easy for me to coordinate. And anyone, if you want ask something, say something, do raise your hand first. Okay? Do raise your hand first. Okay, see. So this 92 is 8 less than 100. This 92 is 8 less than 100. So what you have to do is, by whatever number it is less, just multiply that number with itself, the square of it. 8 into 8, 64. And then subtract the same number by the question, that is 92 minus 8. So 92 minus 8 is what? 84. Answer is 8464. Answer is 8464. And in this question, you need not minus 92 and 8. Only 8 into 8, 64. Last digit of each digit option is different, right? So you got 64 only in one option. Just tick that. Option A. Got it, everyone? Do tell me. Yes or no? Yes?
Repeat it again, ma'am.
Yes, Riddhiman?
Please repeat it again, ma'am.
Yes, beta. See. Whenever you are asked to multiply a number by itself, suppose I took 92 into 92, a number which is near to 100, okay, a number which is near to 100. What you have to do? First, you have to see that number is more than 100 or less than 100. I know 92 is less than 100. Less than 100 by what? 8. 92 is 8 less than 100. By whatever number it is less, beta, you have to multiply that number by itself. So 8 8s are 64. You will write this at the end. Okay, 2 digits at the end. And now this 8, you will subtract it from the question. So 92 minus 8 is equal to 84. 8464 will be your answer, option. Got it, Riddhiman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Darsh, beta, did you get it? I think you're new to the class, right? Darsh, did you get it?
Ma'am?
Did you get this question, beta? Yes? Okay. If yes, I have one more question for you. It's 94 into 94. Here you go. Quickly. Within seconds, you will answer me. Use a short trick, okay? Here you go. Quickly, dear. Only 5 correct. Hare, Adya, you also wrong. Kishan, Dhruv, Riddhiman, correct.
by
beta.
mistake. I did that by mistake, ma'am. It's 8836. I did C.
Okay, okay, Adya. Okay, see dear. This is 94 beta, right? 94 is how much less than 100? Tell me. Tell me.
6.
6, right? So what you have to do? First you have to do 6 into 6. So 6 into 6 is 36. But option I have 36. So now what will I do? Now I will subtract the 6 from the question. So 94 minus 6 is 88. 8836 is your answer, option 3. Within seconds you can get your answer. Did you get it, beta? Any doubts, anyone? Do let me know, beta.
No, ma'am.
Acha, this is something when the number is less than 100, right? We practiced in the last class also the numbers which are less than 100. What if I tell you 104 into 104? Let me give you timer. Yes. 104 into 104. Who will tell me the answer first? Let me see. Quickly. Yes. Okay, wait. Let me stop the timer and then you can raise your hand. Yes, Adya. Okay, I got answer from Adya.
876.
Your answer is Adya, your answer is wrong. Tanay also wrong. Gayatri also wrong. Siddharth also wrong. Everyone has the wrong answer. Oops. So much.
Ma'am, is it 10,016?
10,016. No, that is also wrong. No, Sadhya, your answer is also wrong. Kishan also wrong. Okay, let's learn, beta. Let's learn. Let us learn. 32 seconds. And this question, when you know the short trick, you will do within 5 seconds. You know how? Let's learn. Yes, now it's correct, Adya, Sadhya, Darsh. Now it's correct. But you don't have to take so much of time. 5 seconds hardly. See, this is 104 into 104, right? 104 into 104. So what you have to do is, this is 4 more than 100. 4 more than 100. Simply by whatever number it is more, multiply that number by itself. So 4 more, so 4 4 is 16. And add this 4 to the question. Add the 4 to the question. So 104 plus 4, 108. 10816 is your answer. Quickly, easily, within 5 seconds. Did you get it? Yes, Adya, you have raised your hand. Do ask me.
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot to lower it.
Okay, Harshika. Yes, beta, you have raised your hand, beta. Do ask me. Harshika, beta. Anyone else there? Any doubt or you got the trick? Very easy. Pardon, beta?
Can you teach again?
Yes, beta, for sure. See. Suppose you had the question 104 into 104, right? So, first you have to see that digit is how much more than 100. So, 104 is 4 more than 100. 104 is 4 more than 100. So, by whatever digit is more, you have to multiply that digit by itself. Like 4 into 4, 60. And the same digit you shall add in the question. So 104 plus 4 is 108. 10816 is your answer. Got it, beta? Anyone, any doubts?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
No, I don't know. My mother asked me a question of 102 times 102. And I tried my best, but I only got four numbers.
Just say one question. That's it.
Dhruv, I could not get you better. Are you asking about any doubt or you are saying something else to me?
What about 102 times 102?
102. Please go for it. 102 also with the same concept. 102 also with the same concept. 102, it is 2 more, right? 102, it is 2 more than 100. So, 2 twos are 4. But I have only one digit, right? And what I told you was always write 2 digits. So, in order to make it 2, I shall write 04. I shall write 04. And then 102 plus 2. It's 104. 10404 will be my answer. Got it, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. If yes, then I have a question for you. Here you go. Let me start the code for you. Here you go. Quickly. 103 into 103. And go for the short trick, beta. Go for the short trick. Quickly. Still 3 of you haven't answered me. Wow. Very good. 10 of you have given me the correct answer. Sadhya, Adya, Dhruv, first 3 to answer me. Very good, beta. Very good. And you answered in less than 1 second. Very smart, all 3 of you. And rest also, all of you have given me the correct answer, only 2 wrong. Very smart, everyone. Okay, if you are smart, I'm going to give you one more question. Hundred and eight into 108. Here you go. Let me see. 108 into 108. 108 into 108. Quickly. Very good. 8 of you have given me the correct answer. Kishan, Adya, and Dhruv. Very smart, all 3 of you. First 3 to answer me. Okay. See, beta. It's 108, right? 108. So 108, what does it mean? It is 8 more than 100. 8 more than 100. So first you will do 8 into 8, 64. But I can see 64 in 2 options. Now what to do? Now you will add this 8 in the question, that is 108. So 108 plus 8 is 160. 11664 is your answer. Any doubts? No? Okay. If no, Then who is going to answer me one more question? Writing this side, okay? Here you go. 112 into 112. Quickly. 112 into 112. Go for the short trip. Pavitran, Gayatri, Sadhya, first three to answer me. Kirti and Riddhiman has also given the correct answer. Rest, everyone has given me the wrong answer. Everyone. Okay, see how we will do it. It's 112 into 112, right? So if I see about 112, this is 12 more than 100. 112 is 12 more than 100. You have to use the same trick. What? It is 12 more than 100, right? So you will do 12 into 12. Beta, you can raise your hand before asking, okay? First raise your hand and then you can ask me a question, or else I'm not getting that which student is asking what question. So please do raise your hand before asking any question here. So it is 12 more. What you will do? You will do 12 into 12. So 12 into 12 is 144. But as far as I remember, I told you that you shall write only 2 digits in the last, right? I told you na, that you have to write the square in only 2 digits. But here I have 3 digits. So you will write 44 and this one you will keep it to yourself. You will keep it, hold it to yourself. And because it is 12 more, so what you will do? You will add 112 plus 12. So 112 plus 12 is how much? 124. 124. And this one also, it shall be carried to this 124. So 124 plus 1, 125. And at the end you have 44. 12544 is your answer. 12544 is your answer, which is option B. Do let me know. Raise your hand beta first and then you can ask dear, please. Yes, Harshika. Yes, beta, for sure. I'll still explain this again. Yes, Harshika. B, Harshika.
Again you repeat.
Yes, beta, I can repeat again. I shall repeat this again. Anyone else other than Harshika? Any other? Any doubts? Gayatri, Pavitran, Kirti, anyone? Shreyan, Darsh, anyone? Any doubts? Okay, I'm explaining this once more, beta. Please look on the board. See, 112 into 112, same number multiplied. Now, whenever you have a number which is more than 100, you will see that it is how much more than 100. So this 112 beta, it is 12 more than 100. 100 plus 12 is 112. So the trick remains the same. You will do 12 into 12. So 12 into 12 is 144. And here you can see that you have 3 digits. 1, 4, 4. 3 digits. But actually, we can write only 2 digits in my answer. So I will write only 44 in my answer, and this one I shall keep it to myself for now. Now I will add 112 and 12. 112 and 12 I shall add. So I got 124. 124. And in that 124, I shall add this number also which I have kept to myself. So 124 plus 1, it becomes 125. Answer. Did you get it, beta? Those who have the doubts? Harshika.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I
Okay.
got it.
If you got it, I have one question for you. 113 into 130. Okay, tell me the answer. Here you go. Quickly answer. Go for the trick. Let me see how many of you have given the correct answer this time. Sadhya, Pavitran, Gayatri. First three to answer me. Kirti, Harshika, Riddhiman, Darsh has given me the correct answer. Rest, either you haven't answered or you have answered wrong. Why, beta? Tanay, Siddharth, Dhruv, Kartik, Adya, Harshika, Shreyan, I would like to know why haven't you answered or answered wrong? Any issue? Any doubts? Tanay, doubts?
17026.
10026. No, it's wrong.
No, 17026.
17026. It's wrong, Adya. It is not even in the option, beta. Adya, check the option. See, beta. It's 113, right? 113, beta. It is 13 more than 100, because 113, what you can write? 100 plus 13. It is 13 more than 100. So first what you have to do? 13 into 13. What you have to do? 13 into 13. So 13 into 13, I know it's 169. Again, I got 3 digits. So I have to keep in my mind that I shall not use 3 digits. I will be using only 2 digits, and this one I have to keep it to myself, right? And now what I am going to do? 113 plus 13. So 113 plus 13 is 126. This one, it shall be added to this. So 126 plus 1 becomes 127 and 69 at the end. So 12769 is my answer. That is option B. Those who did not get it, please raise your hand, beta. Adya, you did not get it. You have raised your hand.
I forgot to lower it again.
Beta, anyone who did not get it, please raise your hand. Got it, everyone? Okay, so one last question.
I found my mistake.
One by one, beta, one by one.
I found
Yes,
my
Adya.
mistake. So what I did was I added I added 1 to 169, so it became 17026.
No, beta. So you don't have to take the last digit. Actually, you have to see that the number given is how much more than 100. So if it's 113, you cannot take the last digit. It is 13 more than 100. So you have to multiply 13 into 13. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, one last question I'm giving you of this type, and then we shall move to the next concept. Last question of this type. Hope everyone does the correct. Please go for it. No mistakes, okay? Try to avoid the mistakes. Very smart. Sadhya, Pavitran, Gayatri, first three to answer me. Very smart, beta. And almost 10 of you have given me the correct answer. Very good, beta. Very good. Let's see how we will do it. It's 116 into 116. That means it is 16 more than 100. It is 16 more than 100. Now, what you have to do? You have to do 16 into 16. So, 16 into 16 is 256. You shall write 5, 6. And this 2, you have to keep it to yourself, right? You have to keep it to yourself. And now, what you have to do? You have to add 116 plus 16. 132. 116 plus 16 is 132. Add this 2 in this 132. 132 plus 2 is 134. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, option A is your answer. Yes, you have raised your hand out there.
Ma'am, I get confused. Like, what to add in which one? Like,
Okay, see. Whenever out there is a number, which is more than 100. Okay, which is more than 100. So first you have to find that number is how much more than 100. So if it is 116, so it would be 16 more than 100. If it is 108, it is 8 more than 100. If it is 112, it is 12 more than 100. So first find out that the number is how much more than 100. And after that, by whatever value it is more, just take the square of it, multiply it. In this question, 116, it is 16 more than 100. So you will do 16 into 16, 256. Now, what you have to make sure that you can write the answer only in the last two places. Only in the last two places. So if it is only one digit, you have to make it 2 by adding 0. But if it is more than 2 digits, like here 16 into 16 is 256. More than 2 digits, 3 digits. So you will take the last 2 digits and the remaining digit you will hold it to yourself, keep it to yourself and move forward towards the next step. The next step says whatever is the question, add how much it is more. So 116 plus 16, it is 132. And this 2 which you have kept to yourself, you will add this 2 into this 132. So it becomes 134. Got it out there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall I give you another question like this, or shall I move to the next calculation, friend?
Another question.
Another question.
Okay, so last question of this type, okay? Last question of this type, and then I shall move to the next, okay? Here you go. Quickly use the short trick to answer me this question. Very smart. Sadhya, Riddhiman, Pavitran, first 3 to answer me. Almost every one of you have given me the correct answer. 11 of you. Very smart, dear. Very smart. And it was very easy. 114, right? So 114.
Is 14 more than 100?
Very good. 14 into 14 is 14 into 14. Anyone?
196. 96.
196. So I will write 96, and this one I shall keep it to myself, right? And then 114 plus 14, that is 128, and that one I shall add in it. So 129996, option C, my answer. Any doubts, Peter?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? No. Okay. If no, then I have another question for you. I want to see how will you multiply 57 into 57. Let me see who gives me the answer first.
Ma'am, 3249.
I got the
3249.
yes, 3249. But I got the answer after 20-25 seconds. But I want you all to answer this within 5 seconds, like to answer in the poll. You know how you will answer me? See, whenever a number near to 50, okay, the trick which I'm telling you right now, it is for the number which is nearby 50, okay, near to 50. So if I talk about 57, this 57 is 7 more than 50, right? It is 7 more than 50. What you have to do, by whatever value it is more than 50, multiply that digit by itself. So it became 49. And add the same digit in 25. Add the same digit in 25. So 25 plus 7 is 32. 3249 will be your answer. Any doubts? You are telling no, but you are not giving me the correct answer, Tane. Every time you tell me no, ma'am, no doubts, and still you don't give me the correct answer. Anyone else, any doubts? Any serious child? Anyone better? No? Okay, if no, then please note this down and I have a question for you. It's 59 into 59. Quickly. And there you go. Quickly. How will you find 59 into 59? And once you know the calculations beta, when we start the chapters, you will be bang on it. Because calculation takes a lot of time. You have to reduce your time in calculations. Fourteen out of 14 has given me the answer this time. Let me check. 10 of you have given me the correct answer. Pavitran, Tane, and Gayatri. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very smart. But who has given me the wrong answer? Siddharth, Karthik, Kishan, and Shreyan. Why, beta? Yes, Adya, you again raise your hand here.
Ma'am, can you explain this once more?
Yes, beta, for sure. See, whenever a number is nearby 50, so first you will see the number is more than 50 or less than 50. So if it is 59, I know it is more than 50. It is more than 50. 50 plus 9, more than 50. By whatever value it is more, just multiply that digit by itself. So 9 into 9, 81. 9 into 9 is 81. And by whatever value it is more, just add that to 25. So 25 plus 9 is 34. 3481 is your answer, option A. Did you get it, Adya?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, beta. If yes, then I have another question for you.
Ma'am, repeat again.
Yes, beta, for sure. See, whenever a number is multiplied by itself, you have to see whether that number is nearby 50 or not. So yes, 59 is nearby 50 and it is 9 more than 50, right? 9 more than 50. So by whatever value it is more, first step what you will do, you will multiply that value by itself. So 9 into 9, 81, you will write at the end. And by whatever value it is more, you shall add that to 25. So 25 plus 9 is 34. 3481 is your answer. Got it, Karthik?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in 2-digit number you just added 3 digit plus, but other digits you made it minus. How is that?
You have to remember, Karthik, you have to use your brain that whenever the questions are given, you first have to figure it out that the number given is near to 100 or near to 50. And then you have to find out it is more than the 50, the base number, that is 50 or 100, or it is less than. So presently we are doing more, right? Because if I tell 59, 57, 56, 51, so it is more, right? It is more than 50. Whenever it is more, you will add. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose it was less than 50. Suppose I say that it was not 59, it was 49 into 49. Okay. It was 49 into 49, Karthik. So this number is more than 50 or less than 50? Tell me.
Less than.
Less than 50. How much less? How much less?
1.
1 less than 50. So what you will do, by whatever number it is less, right? By whatever number it is less, you will multiply that number by itself. So 1 into 1 is 1. And we have learned, beta, that at the end we shall have 2 digits of the square. 1 into 1 is 1, only single digit. In order to make it 2, I shall write 1 0 here. It becomes 0 1, right? And now, because it is less than 50, you will subtract 1 from it. So 2401 answer. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sadhya, you have raised your hand, beta. Sadhya, you are not audible, beta.
Ma'am, why we are always subtracting it by 25?
That's the trick, because when it is the base number 50, you shall subtract it by 25. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Any doubt in this when the number is more than 50 or less than 50? Tell me, beta. Any doubts? Anyone? Any questions? No one? Oh, someone has raised their hand. 8 seconds. Yes, Gayatri, you have raised your hand, beta. Yes, beta, tell me. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can we repeat it again?
Yes, beta, for sure. See, whenever a number is less than 50, like I have 49 into 49. So 49 is less than 50. First, you will see by what number it is less. So this 49, it is less by 1. By whatever value it is less, beta, you will multiply that by itself. So 1 into 1 is 1. But I need 2 digits at the end for my answer. So because it is only one single digit, I shall make it 2 by adding 0. So I will write 0, 1. And then I shall subtract 1 from 25. So 25 minus 1 is 24. 2401 is my answer. Got it, Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Darsh, beta, because you are new, can you tell me, did you get it or not? Yes, beta. Who is it? Please raise your hand before. Beta, please raise your hand before asking. Who is it? Please raise your hand, dear. Yes, Harshika. Harshika,
I get 25, ma'am.
you what, beta?
How I get 20? Ma'am, how will she get 25, ma'am? She has doubt on the
This 25, you have to take in each and every base number. Okay, consider this to be the base number trick. That if it is more, you have to add in 25. If it is less, you have to subtract in 25. Got it, Harshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. If got it, then I have another question for you. 43 into 43. Okay, here you go. Let me see who gives me the correct answer this time. Quickly. Very good, Sadhya, Kishan, Gayatri, first three to answer me. Very smart, beta. 8 of you have given the correct answer. Very good. Let us see how we will do it. First, I will see that this 43 is how much less than 50. So this 43 is 7 less than 50. Now, by whatever value it is less, I shall multiply by itself. So 7 into 7, 49. And by whatever value it is less, I shall subtract that from 25. Right? So 25 minus 7 is 18. 1849. Option A, my answer. Anyone else? Any doubts? Or shall I move to the next? Anyone? Any question, beta? Acha, before moving to the next question, I have a question. Yes, bro. Beta.
Can ma'am explain this again?
Yes, beta, for sure. See, this 43, it is 7 less than 50, right? 7 less than 50. By whatever number it is less, you have to multiply that digit by itself. So 7 sevens are 49. At the end you wrote. And whatever value it is less than 50, subtract it from 25. So 25 minus 7, 18. 849 is my answer. Got it, Dhruv? Okay. So,
Yes,
beta, before moving ahead to the next question, I have an announcement to make. That is, in your announcement section, you must have got a link where you have to say that which chapters have been studied by you in the class. Okay. So, if you haven't studied any chapter, write no in everything. Okay. But if you have studied any single chapter also, please tick that. Write yes in that, so that we get to know that how many students are standing in what positions. Okay, which student is standing in which position. So yes, Adya.
Ma'am, but the question was like, what all chapters have been studied by you in the class? So I thought that it was talking about this class, the class we are taking. So I didn't know for everything.
Yes, of course, you have to do as per the batches. Okay. Now, suppose Adya, you are asking this question because I think you're taking the class in another batch also. So
Yes,
you must have got two links or single links.
one link only.
One link. So you must have done the chapters at least which you have studied.
Oh.
Okay, if you have done no in each and every chapter, it's okay. But if you have studied any chapter in this institute, in this class, okay, in this class, then do let us know, okay, that yes, you have completed that chapter, so that we can track your record better, okay? Because now I think within 4 to 5 months you are going to have your examination, and we want to prepare you by that level. So please, whatever link is sent to you, do that, fill it. And one more announcement is, I don't know whether from this batch or another, but please don't make any payment to the Teachment app. Teachment app is not ours. It is a third party app, beta. So please don't make any payments to the Teachment app, okay? No coming to the teachment tab, beta. Okay, one question 47 into 47. There you go. Quickly. Let me see. Very good, Dhruv, Pavitra and Gayatri. First three to answer me. Very smart, beta. Very smart. First three to answer me. This 47 is 3 less than 50, right? So 3 into 3 is 09 because 3 threes are 9 and I have to take 2 digits. So I will take 09 and then 25 minus 3, 22. 2209 is your answer, option C. Any doubts, beta? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. If no, then that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. In the next class, we are going to start tricks related with division. Okay, this was with multiplication. Then we are going to start tricks related with division, how you can divide easily and quickly. Okay, be prepared, practice well. And yes, Vita.
Means you're saying us to say that how many chapters we learned in the teachment, right? There's one link.
Oh, that is for everyone, beta. That is a common link for everyone, right? So this is a new batch, so you haven't studied much because this is a fresh batch. You're studying calculations. But still, by any chance, if you studied any chapter in any other batches also, so do let us know. This was the only thing. Okay? Just to know that how many students have completed. But in this batch, I haven't started yet a single chapter. So how we will do it, right? So you can do know in everything if you haven't studied anything.
Okay.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. We'll meet you soon in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.